Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I need you to follow this analogy carefully. So during the eviction show, Ebuka was asking the housemates questions, and of course he asked Saskay, what's up with you, Jaypaul and Cross? The question Ebuka was trying to ask her is, who are you going to stick with? But we had Saskay saying that, you know what, she's not sticking with both of them and she's just enjoying the attention that they're both giving to her.
I don't think it's confusing. I've made it clear to both of them. Yeah, I like both of them, but I've also made it clear that I'm not interested in any situationship or relationship.
Yeah. So you're just enjoying the attention from both of them?
Yeah.
And as soon as she said that, you know what, Cross was shocked at the fact that he was hearing that for the first time, that Saskay also likes Jaypaul, because he had never heard that before, and he was pained at the fact that, Saskay put him and Jaypaul in the same category of a relationship. And then we see Saskay and Cross in the garden trashing out this issue, and of course, Cross said he is really pained and he feels manipulated, and that because of the fact that he has known her for 5 weeks, it doesn't mean that she cannot manipulate him.
At this point, I can't really tell.
Christ.
Are you really doing that?
Why the fuck would I want to manipulate? For what? What do I
Babes,
get?
I've only known you for 5 weeks, girl.
I knew with what Ebuka said, it will make it look like I was trying to manipulate you.
Yes.
And what was this manipulation about? It was about the fact that Cross cut his hair. And of course, Saskay was telling Cross that, see, I never had a hand in the fact that you cut your hair. And of course, Cross wasn't going to have any of that explanation because he told Saskay straight up that you had a hand in me cutting my hair.
On your own, you know already your cutting of your hair wasn't even based on me. It wasn't about me or because I said I didn't like. So why would you even think I'm manipulating?
You made a little bit of you made a bit of impact on that.
Now there's been a pattern going on for a while right now where we see Cross making breakfast for Saskay regardless of the fact that Saskay does not ask for it. Now Saskay is telling Cross that, see, a lot of people see these things that you do for me, both inside the house and outside the house. And of course, they will feel like I'm using you because I do request for these things. And a lot of people will think that, okay, we should ship. And I've told you I don't want a relationship anywhere, anyhow, in this house, at least in this house as it stands. And Saskay feels that the perception of a relationship that people have inside the house is what is affecting the way Cross is behaving towards her.
Making breakfast for me or doing any other thing for me because I feel like others will see it like I am using you, but I'm not even asking you for these things.
I know so you don't. I do it out of my kindness.
Exactly.
Of my heart.
That's even why I don't. I know you. That's how you're seeing it, but others will not see it that way. And is this others seeing it that way that is affecting me?
But after she said all of this, you know what Cross told her? Cross told her, you know what, I really, really do like you, but I'm pained at the fact that you did not tell me that you also liked Jaypaul, because they had a conversation before, and of course, Saskay told him that, you know what, myself and Jaypaul are just friends. We're just getting close, we're just friends, and that was what Cross had in his mind. Then boom, hearing what Ebuka was asking Saskay today, and hearing the fact that, you know what, she's now liking Jaypaul, he felt really pained about it.
Do you know the truth in my heart? The truth in my heart is that I give a fuck about you, and I like you a lot, and I know you do like me, but I didn't know that you really like Jaypaul too. I swear.
Oh God.
Maybe indeed I'm blind, or I just thought maybe you, because as I said, you're close to me.
In the long run, Saskay apologized to Cross, telling him that she's sorry for not telling him that herself and Jaypaul were getting close and that she's liking Jaypaul. And this really got Cross pain, because I also think that the fact that, see, you and Cross had a conversation. You told Cross that you and Jaypaul are friends. If anything changed, right, you have an understanding, regardless whether you're in a relationship or not. But you know that there's something you would have going for each other. So if anything changed, you could have as well just told Cross that, see, this guy, I think I'm liking him and all of that. Because that's what Nini is doing right now. Nini will just tell you, see, I like Saga as a friend, but I have a boyfriend. She now sees it with microphone. I have a boyfriend. Saga is just my friend. Regardless of the emotions that Saga will feel, regardless of the way she also feels towards Saga, she always says it.
So it's not like I didn't see you guys getting closer every day or doing your shit. In my mind, I was like, okay, Saskay has told me what it is. She doesn't like Jaypaul. She sees him as a friend. And I'm cool with that. That's all.
Okay.
So all of a sudden, the whole flip has changed. And I'm like, huh?
And Cross now asked her, where do we stand right now? Where do we put this relationship right now? And she said, like, you know what? We're still where we used to be. I am not in a relationship in this house. I don't want to be in a relationship in this house. Maybe outside we can explore things, but in this house, it's a no-no.
I am sorry for not letting you know after we had agreed that I was going to let you know if I did like him. I'm sorry for not letting you know.
So where does that leave us now?
Same place we've always been.
Moving on to my next gist. Maria is sick at the lies that Pere tells her. How did this all start? Maria said that Pere said at a particular point at the beginning of the show that Jackie is a spec and that she, Maria, grew on him as the show proceeded. And that now she found out that Pere told the guys at the beginning of the show that he liked Maria. And now Maria is like, come on, why are you contradicting yourself? You first said that Jackie is your spec and that I grew on you. And right now you're saying that you liked me from the beginning of the show. And that these are the lies that he tells that doesn't make her click with him.
You can be attracted to a bunch of people. You actually make me sick with the way you make up shit in life. And that's one. That's actually the reason I can't completely click with you, because I see through you. I see through your bullshit.
Then guess what? Maria brought up an idea and said, you know what? You like Jackie. Jackie's your spec. I also like Michael. Michael is my spec. Anytime Michael comes close to me, he makes me blush, and I try to avoid him because he's really my type. So can we switch?
What I said was... Anyway, if Jack is your type, Michael's my type, how about we switch? Mutually. It'd work. Michael's not my type. He's 100% my type, can't you tell? No, he's not. I blush every time he's around me.
Moving on to my next gist. After the whole drama that happened with Boma, Angel, and of course Queen, we hear Boma telling Pere that, you know what, he can never be friends with Queen even outside of the house as it stands right now, because come on, he would rather choose Angel as a deputy head of house if he eventually wins the head of house again. And that because if he wants a peaceful reign, he would choose Angel as he cannot have a peaceful reign with Queen.
No, I can't understand you. We can have a conversation. Nothing, we can't even have a friendship. Nothing fruitful can come out of it. Because the way you are and the way I am are two separate people.
Finally, in my gist, we see Likoro's having some deep reflections, right? Why is this so? So Ebuka was questioning Emmanuel about the fact that some people think that he's not as vested into the ship as Likoro's is. So it looks like Likoro's wasn't comfortable with the answer that Emmanuel gave Ebuka, because we just saw her lying there on the garden, right? And of course, she was in some deep reflections.
I'm not feeling bad. I'm not feeling like, okay, you're giving another person attention. I'm not feeling like that.
And this was confirmed by a conversation that White Money and GMK were having, because GMK was saying that the defense that Emmanuel gave to Ebuka's question was not enough.
The defense was weak. I expected to like...
I tried not to defend him.
No, it was weak. It was weak. It didn't seem genuine. It was supposed to try and... It was already like, oh, the babe, now she they follow him. So in such a situation, we're supposed to try, what's the word?
I would like to hear your opinions in the comment section. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on our social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. And until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.